Earth. Every life over here aspires to grow and live the longest. Problems like life-threatening diseases, pollution, increasing population, poverty have shifted the focus to attain persistent and healthy living. Sterile India Private Limited is an integrated research-based pharmaceutical manufacturer of sterile active pharmaceutical ingredients, bringing you a range of sterile products to make the life and world a better place to live in. Sterile India's production unit is located 30 kilometers to the north of New Delhi at Kundli, Haryana. We are a team of 250 plus dedicated employees including 10 PhDs, 15 M.Pharma, 30 MSc and 25 B.Pharma. We are an ISO certified and CGMP and WHO GMP compliant company, equipped to handle the production of various life-saving drugs of different categories like penicillins, cephalosporins, general antibiotics and PPIs, etc. Our plant is equipped with the latest building management system from As-Built, Japan, providing automatic maintenance of room conditions by monitoring and stabilizing relative humidity, temperature and pressure. The company follows stringent qualitative processes to maintain the cleanest work environment, ensuring high-quality products. For water requirements, we have latest equipments like 2-pass RO, EDI system, WFI and PSG along with 316-liter return loop line system. Sterile India has 3 separate, isolated and dedicated manufacturing facilities, one each for penicillin, cephalosporin group and general antibiotics and PPI products. Each of these facilities has a separate HVAC system to avoid cross-contamination, along with totally separated raw material storage rooms to ensure quality. Each manufacturing facility has separate color-coded uniform and entry points. In our manufacturing process, raw materials received from the approved vendors goes through careful testing in order to be qualified for use in production. When a drug is to be manufactured for the first time, 3 batches of the product are prepared and tested for process and product validation. Subsequent to successful clearance of tests, stability studies are performed in stability chambers in 3 phases as accelerated, real-time and long-term. Once a product clears the stability test, only then it qualifies for the full-scale production. Sterile India maintains the complete quality-related documentation for all its product tests. In our production area, every visitor or operator has to go through mandatory cleansing bath, which is followed by wearing a pre-washed dress. After crossover bench, the operator has to wear specialized garments and shoes as a protection gear. The approved raw material and packaging materials go through de-dusting process. After this, the packaging material goes to washing and sterilization room, and raw material goes for solution preparation. Washing and sterilization area has an airlock to avoid contamination as per the FDA guidelines. This area is fitted with autoclave and dry heat sterilizer. In solution preparation room, the solution is prepared using a solvent, raw material and filtered nitrogen. The prepared solution goes through filter train for purification. Once filtered, the solution goes for crystallization. Depending upon the product, the process may involve lyophilization, and Sterile India is among the first few companies in India to have 600 ice cube capacity lyophilizer from Bertis, USA. After crystallization, the solution goes to Nooch filter. Here, a class 100 is maintained for sterility. Filtered solution is vacuum tray dried and then reaches multi-mill. Here, the density of the product can be changed using different size measures. Post-aseptic milling, aseptic blending is performed where different lots are mixed, followed by packaging under laminar airflow. All the packaged goods are quarantined for 14 days to complete the process of sterility. Samples of the manufactured products are sent to testing facility for quality check and quality assurance. Sterile India has a highly sophisticated quality control laboratory. The corridors are completely dust-free and are fitted with static pass box. In testing facility, sample goes through chemical and microbiology testing. For quality tests, Sterile India has some of the latest instruments like HPLC, GLC with headspace, FTIR, and UV spectrophotometer, managed by a highly professional team. Chemical testing procedure involves dry and wet testing of the sample. Sterile India possesses one of the biggest microbiology lab in northern India, with a dedicated space for each separate process and latest equipments like liquid bond particle counter, active air sampler, BOD 7 in number, latest DHS and autoclave, closed sterility facility, biosafety cabinets, and many more apparatus. Microbiology testing for the finished goods involves visual inspection, sterility testing, bacterial endotoxin test, and liquid-bound particle count. Sterile India performs a periodic quality test for the sterility testing area. Production blocks and water quality including raw, purified, and WFI water to ensure a clean, microbe-free environment. All these tests are carried out in a dedicated culture handling room in biosafety cabinets. The testing labs have restricted access and visitors are permitted only if accompanied with qualified microbiologist. Sterility area has 5-level protection including 3 airlocks, 1 entry buffer and 1 cooling zone, having autoclave and unloading room. In all the aseptic areas of the plant, wall panels are made out of stainless steel and maintain class 100. After successful clearance of quality assurance and quality check report from testing facility, the packaged material moves to finished goods store for dispatch. The company also ensures that it does not cause any deleterious impact on the environment in any form. The plant has an effluent treatment plant to clean every drop of wastewater from the plant. A few geographies where we serve our esteemed customers includes